We are now taking the easiest problem of JEE Advanced 2020, which requires very minimum calculation, very standard question based on function. What the question says is, let the function f whose domain is from 0 to 1 and codomain is the real set, and this function is defined by f of x is equal to 4 to the power x upon 4 to the power x plus 2. Now then they are asking us to find out the value of f of 1 by 40 plus f of 2 by 40 plus f of 3 by 40 goes on till f of 39 by 40 minus f of 1 by 2. Now here only a small observation you need to do to solve this question. If you look at fx and if I see f of 1 minus x, what is f of 1 minus x? It is 4 raised to the power 1 minus x divided by 4 to the power 1 minus x plus 2. So if I multiply by 4 to the power x in numerator and denominator, I will get 4 divided by 4 plus 2 into 4 to the power x, and if I cancel 2 in both numerator and denominator, I get 2 divided by 2 plus 4 to the power x. Now here if you just observe what is f of x plus f of 1 minus x, what is this value? Simply add this value and this value. This is 4 to the power x upon 4 to the power x plus 2. This is our f of x, and 2 upon 4 to the power x plus 2 is our f of 1 minus x. So what we get is 4 to the power x plus 2 divided by 4 to the power x plus 2. So this both numerator and denominator is getting cancelled out. So we get f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. Now why I have thought it like this, my line of thinking was, we have f of 1 by 40 and f of 39 by 40. So 39 plus 1 is 40. Similarly, we have f of 2 by 40, and prior to that we have f of 38 by 40 whose sum is equal to 1, and this goes on like this. So what I am trying to tell you is, we have in the question given as f of 1 by 40 plus f of 2 by 40 plus f of 3 by 40. This goes on till say f of 18 by 40 plus f of 19 by 40, and then we have f of 20 by 40. After that we get f of 21 by 40, which I am writing it over here, f of 21 by 40, then f of 22 by 40. This goes on like f of 37 by 40, f of 38 by 40, and f of 39 by 40. So why I have arranged it like this is, 1 by 40 plus 39 by 40, this will become 40 by 40. So if this is x, then this becomes 1 minus x. So obviously these two values together become equal to 1. Similarly, f of 2 by 40 and f of 38 by 40 together become equal to 1. F of 3 by 40 and f of 37 by 40, they both will become equal to 1. Now this thing will keep happening like this. So this value is also equal to 1, this is also equal to 1. So all these values will be equal to 1, and after that we have something minus f of 1 by 2 also. Now here if you see, f of 20 by 40 is nothing but f of 1 by 2. So this f of 1 by 2 and this minus f of 1 by 2 will cancel each other. Now these two values, if you add on here, the sum of these two values is 1, this sum is also 1, this sum is also 1, and this 1 plus 1 plus 1 I am going till how many times? 1 by 40, 2 by 40, 3 by 40, and the last value is 19 by 40. So this comes out till 19 times, and this is 0 only. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 till 19 times, what is the value? This is nothing but equal to 19. So what we need to find out is the value of this whole thing, which is coming out to be 19. So 19 will be the answer to this question. So as I keep saying that JEE Advanced contains some very easy questions also, if you carefully scan and look at the paper. So these are the some of the first questions which you can do, so that your confidence will be built up, and then you can take on the entire paper very easily. Hope you have understood this question.